Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in this video we are talking about India's first urban testbed and aerosol observatory that will be coming up in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Very important, students. Why? See, in today's world we are efficient enough that we can study the data, we can analyze the data and bring the meaningful output from it. So climate change is one such thing that we all are worried about, right? And if we can predict our weather, say for example for next 1 month, right, not just predict, we can analyze that what will be happening, right? We cannot predict exactly, but a overview that whether there will be a rainfall or not, right? Whether it will be a sunny area where whether the heat will be more or not, whether there will be a cyclone or not, right? So if we can analyze these data, they will be very beneficial for us in multiple sectors. Say for example, let's take example of farming. It is beneficial for the farmers to know that when there will be rain, when there will be sun, right? So all these things matter. Similarly, say for example, if we talk about space sector, right, ISRO wants to know that when they are launching a rocket or a satellite, the weather should be clear, there should be no atmospheric disturbance during that time, there should be no rainfall at that time, so that the satellite launch can be a success, right? So these are such examples where we need to know that what will be the weather when we are planning certain things, correct? So Ministry of Earth Science, through their autonomous institute, that is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology of Pune, Maharashtra, they have established India's first comprehensive urban testbed and aerosol observatory. This is along with the Center for Atmospheric Science Research and Innovation and at the SRM Institute of Science and Technology, that is at the Ramapuram in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This facility was officially inaugurated by Dr. M. Ravichandran, who is the Secretary of the Ministry of Earth Science. Then if we talk about this observatory, the purpose of this observatory is to improve the weather forecasting accuracy, monsoon prediction, urban flood prediction, severe weather forecasting, climate resilience, disaster mitigation, climate adaptation planning and smart urban infrastructure development. If we talk about this is built with an investment of over 60 crore rupees. The facility houses around 15 advanced instruments, monitors nearly 50 atmospheric parameters, and it plans to deploy almost 100 automatic weather stations across urban and suburban transition zones where the data can be collected, right, which can be further analyzed. Right, students? Now, why this matters? These urban environments are particularly vulnerable to climate risk. These testbed, they aims to provide street level weather intelligence, supporting sectors such as disaster management, aviation, water resources and energy. The high resolution data will be integrated into the AI, that is artificial intelligence or machine learning driven nowcasting and kilometer scale forecasting models to enhance the national weather services. Now students, based on this, let's discuss some important current affairs or these MCQs. The first question is, where is India's first urban testbed and aerosol observatory established by IITM Pune located? It is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Second, on which date was the urban testbed and aerosol observatory launched? It was launched on 6th May. Next, under which union government initiative was this facility established? So it was established under Mission Mausam. Then at which specific educational institute is the observatory hosted? So it is at the SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Next question, approximately how many times of atmospheric data will be tracked here? So almost 50 parameters will be tracked here. Sixth, what is the approximate value of the sophisticated instrument installed at this site? It is 60 crore rupees. Seventh, what is the planned number of automatic weather station to be set up across the city as a part of this project? Almost 100. 8. What specific radar technology is mentioned as a part of the infrastructure plan? It is X-band radar. Ninth, what is the name of the new research center launched alongside the observatory? It is the Center for Atmospheric Science Research and Innovation. And 10th, what is one of the primary research focus of this observatory? It is transition between sea and the land breeze. So these are your important current affairs, students, that will be beneficial in your learning journey. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.